In this video, let's talk about are Ford Bronco wheel spacers really safe? Quality Ford Bronco wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Ford Bronco wheel spacers. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Ford Bronco hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Ford Bronco wheel spacers. Installed hub-centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This Ford Bronco wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum share of wheel vibration. Quality Ford Bronco wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Ford Bronco wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Ford Bronco wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Ford Bronco wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road-time maintenance. BONOSS Ford multi-stage half-century Ford Bronco wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Ford Bronco wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS Ford multi-stage half-century Ford Bronco wheel spacers will effectively reduce the trend of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in better shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!